Okay, this tip is based on a comment from a viewer. Alt left mouse click selects all lines on the same plane. So let's try this, and thanks a lot to the viewer Hamster4430. So I have 3 curves on the same plane, and if I select one of them by pressing Alt, I can select all of them. So that's pretty handy if you have a scene with lots of curves on the same plane. So if I select this curve, for instance, Shift D, duplicate it and bring it on another plane. And again, if I select these, this one won't be selected. And by the way, let me also show you how you can place your curves on another plane, on a custom plane. Let's say I want to create a plane from this view. I say plane from camera. And by clicking on this temporary plane here at the top, I save my custom plane. So let's go back to our normal plane. If I select all 3 curves, pressing Alt like we have learned, and press Ctrl D for running the place command. So it's this powerful command, Ctrl D. I can grab this group of curves and go to my custom plane and place it there. And if I press Enter and Escape, I go out of the place mode. And if I go back to my normal plane, you can see that I have placed this group of curves onto the custom plane I have created from that view. I hope that makes sense. And again, thanks to this viewer. And if you have tips like this, please share it with me so I can share it with all of you. There are 2 more things I would like to add to this curves on the same plane topic. The first one is that works only with 2D curves. So in this setup, there are 2 2D curves, so this one and this one. And what I mean by 2D curves is that they are flat, completely flat. And this one isn't flat any longer. So if I select this one, press SZ0, bring it to the same plane as the other guys. Select all of them by selecting one of them with Alt. All 3 of them will be selected. But as soon as I change the position of this control point, dragging it somewhere else away from the plane, and if I now Alt select them, only these 2 will be selected. This one isn't on the same plane any longer. That's the first thing I wanted to mention, that this curves on the same plane selection works only with flat curves. The second thing is that there is no such thing like selecting sheets on the same plane. So even though these are identical, one is the copy of the other one, I cannot Alt select them, because then you make a loop selection. So this Alt left click selection for selecting multiple objects works only for flat curves. Peace!